A sudden canyon storm trapped a small hiking crew, turning a routine crossing into a tense river chase. They found a safe pool, built a cloth charcoal filter, and drank clean water as wind roared. Rain forced shelter improvisation with a tarp and branches, a tight linta tucked behind a rock wall. They foraged cattails and greens, set a simple line for fish, and rationed supplies to sustain stamina. With clear roles and steady humor, they preserved morale and distilled takeaways on shelter, water, food, and mindset.